Say it with me, for we walk by faith, not by sight. Hey guys, John with Cheap Old Cars and Culture. So this video is going to be part of a series where we're showing different roads in Arkansas, uncut. There might be camera jumps between like an interior camera, exterior camera, different exterior camera, bouncing around the car, but the entirety of that road section, it will be in the video. And this is for people who are, maybe coming here or maybe wanting to get more familiar with the road. Let's say you're wanting to go run up 103 towards OARC and you're wanting to do it pretty quick. Obviously within speed limits, but you want to do it fairly quickly. You can watch my video, maybe familiarize yourself with the road a little bit, or if you've heard about some roads in Arkansas that are pretty good, maybe you can come to me instead of other people to watch. And the reason you would want to come to me, and something that I will be getting into more in the later videos coming out, not these first two, that's fine. So it's going to be the Pig Trail and 103. Those two videos, the rest of them will be better. I'm getting some different filters and lenses for my cameras that will enhance motion blur, which will create a sense of speed. It's making techniques that they do in Hollywood. A lot of these car chase scenes are filmed at like 35, 40 miles an hour, but they look like they're flying. It's because there's lots of motion blur. There's lots of, there's some camera shaking stuff. So I'm going to employ these same little tricks to make this footage more fun. I noticed a lot of footage of these roads, and there's footage of a lot of these roads out there, but I noticed a lot of it looks slow because people are just mounting their cell phone or a GoPro or something and just taking the footage as is, and it's not fun to watch. It just doesn't look that good. I'm going to try to make it look good. Okay, so hopefully you can find these videos, and as I add to these, you can be able to see that, hey, Arkansas's got some really good roads, 1, and 2, this guy can make some decent videos. All right, hope you enjoy this. Like and subscribe. See you in the next. Hey guys, it's John with Cheap Old Cars and Culture. Yes, I'm wearing ostentatious sunglasses. That's all we're going to say about that. Dash is rattling more than normal. Just left out of Turner Bend. We're going to cruise up here a little bit, do the best part of the Pig Trail, hit the Overlook, come back, probably shoot down another road, and then go over near OARC, Arkansas. Not Ozark, but OARC. And there, we'll come back south down a road that is much curvier than the Pig Trail. Pig Trail is good for views, fast sweepers for the most part. There's a small curvy section in it, but it doesn't really fit what I want as a good curvy road. I like switchbacks. I like switchbacks and sharp curves that make you get on the brakes real hard. All that good stuff. So we probably missed the peak of fall colors. Look over my sunglasses here. It's a little brown out there, but that'll be fine. This will still be a good, pretty drive, and my hand is hurting. Not really going that fast right now. Just cruising along about 50. Got to get through Cass here, and then we'll be to the better part of the road that's more fun. I pulled off and set my cameras up, and I did not see any cars come by this way. So there are a couple roads where cars can come on, but ooh, there's some nice leaves in the road. Wish I had a camera set up pointing behind me as they're all blowing around. That looks so cool. The other thing with that though, you got to be mindful of grip with all the leaves on the road. So yeah, okay. School zone. I think school's in. Let's bring this thing down here. I can still cruise along at 25, 30 in this thing in 5th gear, which is just crazy. I think school's in. Honestly, I don't know. Technically, it'll be school speed until the next speed limit sign. Not that there's cops out here. I don't think Cass has any cops. Some state boys or something out here. Okay, forget it. We're out of town. We're going a little faster. Apparently there used to be a bridge over there. There's the big abutment, the big concrete chunk. This other road here, 215, that we're coming up on, that's where we'll be going in a minute. Dadgum. As soon as I get to the fun part. That's so unfortunate. Hey, we're lugging this thing. Alright, let's hit these corners with a little bit of speed. This one right here is super fun. That's sad. That's how it goes, though. You know, had a good clear road till I hit that intersection there and somebody in a truck. So I guess we get to do the more chill cruise up the hill here, which is not what I wanted. Dang. But we got time. We got all the time in the world, so we'll just come back and do it again. Getting some good rollers with that Chevy truck going up the road. Yeah, this would have been real pretty. I'm not complaining, but this would have been real pretty a few days ago, right before the big cold front come through. All the colors would have been there without them falling off yet. We creeping along slow. Man, these Flowmasters, I gotta change them. They have that 2100 RPM resonance through the cabin of the car, which is that drone, which is just horrible to listen to. Okay, RV, I gotta start clocking cars going back the other way because we're even, well, I might not catch him if I turn around at the Overlook, but you gotta start paying attention because as I get up here nearer to the Overlook, I'm gonna turn around and come back down and gotta make sure I don't run into stuff doing that because I want a couple good runs up this road. This section's pretty good. There's a Hyundai, an older person driving it. I got to get some 355s in this thing too. I mean the 410s are good for acceleration, but it absolutely guzzles the gas even when I'm not trying. I think 355s would be good. Lose some acceleration, but gain a lot of tractability for things I want to do. Man, I wanted to be the first one to blow through these leaves that are all over the road.
was nice. Now we're going a decent clip. Minivan. How am I going to do this with the cameras? I don't know exactly. Don't know exactly. I could charge them up a little bit. I could have that one charge them while we're in here. It's not a bad idea. Coming up on the Overlook. Hey, nice pretty colors up here.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. I'm going to throw some of these videos up too. This one is like, it's some footage that I used for a different video that was more entertaining, had a lot more cuts in it. This one I thought, hey, I'll just do, hey, here's just what this run is. Like, this is Turner Bend to the Overlook. That's just how it is. I'm going to do a few more of these interspersed here and there amongst other videos. Like I said, like and subscribe. Check out the merch store, link in bio. Thanks guys.